is your wrist seat. I'll show you what it looks like first. So you want to make sure that your body's really warm, your wrists are really warm, and the pole's really warm so you can stick to it. So you might be able to hear the pole kind of gripping my skin. That's good. You want your skin to be able to grip because we're going to use a lot of pushing pressure to hold our body in place. So just like the name says, you do sit on your wrist, but if we rely only on thinking we're going to sit everything on our wrist, then it's going to be harder. And you might run into problems with your wrist. So let's talk about that. So when we're in a pole sit, if you don't know what a pole sit is, make sure you head back to the pole sit tutorial and then come on back. So pole sit, I got one hip really high, one hip really low. The top hand comes low by my shoulder. That will allow me to lean back. So I need to have my elbow bent so that I can actually lean back for the wrist seat part. So my hand is low on the top, I do that first. My favorite way to sit is just to have a scissor leg. It's not wrong if you cross your knees. So that's preference. So I got my thumb up, hand by my shoulder. Bottom hand, thumb up underneath your bottom leg hamstring. So I kind of put my skin and my thumb right on my hamstring. So then I'm grabbing the pole with my thumb up on the hamstring, I'm pressing into it. So here's where I'm gonna lean back, the top hand comes off. Now I'm gonna push the bottom hamstring into the pole. Push, 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 push. So now I am sitting on my wrist, but I'm pushing into the pole of the hamstring. I'm pulling with the top arm. So then I can release the top pole, the top thigh, and then so this is cute, you know. This is a side sit, or sometimes it's called a diamond cut, but if you turn then your belly button towards the sky, then you can get a straddle. So then pull back in by bending the top elbow and putting your leg back on, grab up high to come back out. Okay, let's do it again. Wrist seat. So other side, find a seat. Top hand goes low, right around your shoulder height. Bottom hand, thumb up, underneath your hamstring. So the bottom leg is gonna push into the pole as I lean back. So I can release one leg, and then when that feels good, lean over to the side. Pull back in by pulling with the bicep, grabbing up top, and coming on out. So there's kind of this little play of your weight distribution. So your weight goes from being right directly over the pole, over your wrist, to kind of out to the side. So your hips come to the side of the pole, which is super important because then you're pulling at this angle instead of straight down, which is harder to hold anything straight down on the pole because then it's just gonna be your sheer strength against gravity. So I'll show you what I need. I'll do it one more time. So the top hand is low, bottom hand thumb up. So then as I lean back, I'm gonna lean back and out to the side and then pull back into the middle to re-grab, hand goes up, toes go to the ground. Hopefully that helps. Post in the group or message me for any questions that you might have. I love seeing your progress. Bye.